Hi! Today we're going to talk about the affix Words with the affix expresses various kinds of actions, expresses changes, and expresses natural phenomenon. Here's the first set of examples for words with affix expressing actions. Kain. Kain means eat. Kumain is to eat. Kumain ka. Eat. Or you can also say, kain ka. Since we're discussing the affix let's just stick with kumain ka. Kumain ako kanina. I ate a while ago. There are two things that you should take note here. First, both the imperative form and past tense of the words with affix are the same. Kumain means to eat or ate. Second, take note that the words with the affix are actor or subject focused. Thus, these words are usually partnered with subject focused pronouns. Like in the given sample sentences, ka was used instead of mo. In the second sentence, ako is used instead of ko. Gusto ko nang kumain. I want to eat now. Here is an example sentence with the verb partnered with an object-focused pronoun which is ko. The focus in the sentence is the verb want. Thus, ko was used instead of ako. We don't say, gusto ako nang kumain. We only use ako when the focus is yourself. Just a side note, let's say we use ako instead of ko in gusto ko. Gusto ko is I want to. Gusto ako. Ako or I is the focus of the sentence. This translates to I am admired. Gusto ako ng mga magulang mo. I am admired by your parents. Or, your parents like me. Your parents is mga magulang mo. I hope you get the difference. Another example, tawa. Tawa means laugh. Tumawa, to laugh or laughed. Tumawa ka ba? Did you laugh? Tumawa ako noong narinig ko ang kwento niya. I laughed when I heard his story. Tumawa ako is I laughed. Who laughed? Sinong tumawa? Ako. I. Again, words with the affix are subject or actor focused. Gawa. Make or do. Gumawa. To make or to do, or made or did. Gumawa ka ng sulat. Make a letter. Ako ang gumawa niyan. I was the one who did that. Or, I was the one who made that. Bili, buy. Bumili, to buy, or bought. Bumili kayo ng mga prutas at gulay sa palengke. Kayo is the plural form of the pronoun ka. Buy fruits and vegetables in the market. Bumili ako ng sapatos kahapon. I bought shoes yesterday. I bought. Bumili ako. I bought shoes. Bumili ako ng sapatos. I bought shoes yesterday. Bumili ako ng sapatos kahapon. Punta. Go. Pumunta. To go or went. Pumunta ako sa bahay niyo. I went to your house. Your house, bahay niyo. Or if that person is living alone, you can say, bahay mo, your house. Niyo is a plural form of mo. Pumunta ka na, or pumunta ka na ngayon. Ngayon is now, and na may mean already or now. Pumunta ka na ngayon. Go now. Upo. Sit. Umupo ka dito. Sit here. Umupo ang bata sa silya. The child sat on the chair. Alis. Leave. Umalis. To leave or left. Umalis ka sa tabi ko. Stay away from me. Kailangan kong umalis. I have to leave. Again, here is an example of words with affix partnered with an object-focused pronoun which is ko. Kailangan ko means I need or I have to. If we say kailangan ako, it means I am needed. Now, here are the sample words with the affix expressing changes to become this or that. Payat, thin. Pumayat, to get thin or get thin. Pumayat ba ako? Did I lose weight? Pumayat ka. You've become thin. Taba. Taba means fat. Tumaba. To get fat or to gain weight, or get fat or gained weight. Tumaba si Ana. Ana gained weight. Bakit ka tumaba? Why did you get fat? Laki. Laki means size. Lumaki. Lumaki means to grow, to get big, or grew, or get big. Mabilis lumaki ang itinanim kong gulay. The vegetable I planted grew fast. Lumaki ako sa aking lola. I was raised by my grandmother. Galing. Galing means skill or intelligence. Gumaling. Gumaling means to improve or to get well, or improved or get well. Dapat magpahinga ka kung gusto mong gumaling. You must rest if you want to get well. Gumaling siya sa klase. He or she get better in class. Here's a third set of examples for the affix These words express natural phenomenon. Ulan. Ulan means rain. Umulan. Umulan means to rain or rained. Sana huwag umulan mamayang hapon. I hope it doesn't rain this afternoon. Umulan ba kahapon? Did it rain yesterday? Araw. Araw means sun. Umaraw, to be sunny. Sana umaraw bukas. I hope it's a sunny day tomorrow. Buti na lang umaraw ngayon. It's great that it's a sunny day today. Lindol. Lindol means earthquake. Lumindol. Lumindol is to have an earthquake. Lumindol. There was an earthquake. Lumindol habang natutulog ako. There was an earthquake while I was sleeping. Bagyo. Bagyo means typhoon. Bumagyo. Bumagyo means to have a typhoon. Bumagyo noong nakaraang buwan. There was a typhoon last month. Or this can also be translated as may bagyo noong nakaraang buwan. Bumagyo na naman sa bayan na ito. A typhoon struck this town again. And we're done. For the part 2 lesson, we're going to talk about the conjugations. We're going to discuss the completed, uncompleted, and unstarted forms for the affix Thank you and God bless.